uplifting song. The Birds and Eve of Destruction on Bay FM 100.3 as we listen, of course, to Bay Health. And we've got Madonna with us at 22 to 12. And we're talking about all things to do with men's health.
Yes.
Now, like women, if you lose estrogen and everything as you get older,
yes.
Your heart can be exposed to more things going wrong with you.
Yes.
So what's the next best thing? You want them to go and get their heart checked and blood work?
Yes, so getting a full hormonal count. The cholesterol, once again, naturopaths think differently about cholesterol to doctors. We think of cholesterol when it's high, the body's trying to heal something. So is it trying to heal the brain? Is it trying to heal the capillaries? What are we doing in our life that's creating damage that the body needs to release? Because 90% of the cholesterol in your blood is made by the liver. The liver is doing it for a reason. So if your cholesterol's high, your liver knows you need support detoxifying or healing something.
What's a cholesterol high? Mine's about 5.
5's pretty good. I think for women, we want, for men and women, you need cholesterol to make hormones.
Yes,
so if your hormones are too low, you're not going to have enough cholesterol. So once again, I had a guy a few years ago, he was about 55 and his cholesterol was 2. And I said and he, once again, he looked like a normal, muscly guy-ish, 55, bit of a paunch, but generally pretty darn good. But his cholesterol was 2 and he had no libido whatsoever.
Oh, wow, we don't want that, do we?
No.
We're talking about men's health today on Bay FM as we give you Bay Health 21 to 12. I thought we'd play this, Heaven Help My Heart.
Oh, very good.
I know, Bay FM.